Good afternoon. I'm Wasim Khan. You are watching Yuvajan Sevak News. Let's go the news. US election 2020. We believe we will be winners, says Joe Biden as he backs Michigan, Wisconsin. Democrats typically outperform Republicans in mail voting, while the GOP looks to make up ground in the election day turnout. Here are the latest update on the US election results. This combination of September 29, 2020, while photos shows President Donald Trump left and former Vice President Joe Biden during the first president debate at Case Western University and Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland, Ohio. Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden won Michigan and Wisconsin Wednesday, putting him on the brink of talking the White House from President Donald Trump's horse after the president team opened legal fights to stop vote counting in at least 2 states. Meanwhile, Trump campaign manager Bill Stepien told the Associated Press that the president would formally request Wisconsin recount, citing irregularities in several Wisconsin counties. Trump accusing Biden campaign of fraud, claimed he had already won the election and further counting of votes was like committing a fraud on the American public. The Trump campaign said it also filed lawsuit in the Pennsylvania and Michigan, laying the groundwork for the contesting the outcome in undecided battleground states. Biden has also won Arizona and its 11 electoral votes, sweeping and critical battleground state that the Donald Trump won 4 years ago. Trump, on the other hand, has won Florida, Texas, Iowa, and Ohio in the race to 270 electoral votes. Biden has 264, while Trump has 214. Joe Biden optimistic of a win. Trump says Biden campaign trying to steal election. Trump earns flack for falsely declaring victory. Highest voter turnout in a century, as nearly 102 million Americans cast their ballots in early voting.